Hi everyone, this is Amy Yule with Pecan Yummies.
Welcome to Christmas at Pecan Yummyville.
Hi, I'm Linda. And I'm her sister Pam. Together, we're Just For You Baskets.
I'm a third-generation soap maker. My mother and grandmother made soap.
My subject matter includes local songbirds, waterfowl, butterflies, small mammals, and big game.
On this vessel, you can see I've taken a dart out of the side to make a more interesting profile.
I'm Gloria Freund of Freund & Friends Photography of McLean, Virginia. What better introduction than to take you along to a couple of my favorite places to dive and photograph.
I love fabric. I like to collect fabric.
I like dealing with the different textures that you can get with threads.
I'm here to tell you a little bit about the pieces I create, the inspiration and the process.
This one has 4 fabrics I've done in alternating strips, and the back side is a coordinating solid.